Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku.co Daily Futures Market Review for the trading day ending Tuesday, May 17th. Firstly to gold futures and a change of trend in this market today. This current candle has formed a lower high and a lower low. A white body candle on a downtrend suggests that the sellers aren't supporting the change of trend to the downside. And we see the shadow on the bottom of the candle highlighting the upside price rejection from below the 1273 level of support. This is a previous level of support for the prior day and about a week and a half ago. And with the buyers taking control here in formation of a white body candle suggesting some upside momentum in this market in net terms, it does suggest that there is a good opportunity here for the buyers to change the trend back to the upside. Now there is potentially strong resistance at the 1284.9 level. This area has held as support for today and the prior day's trading, with the rejection being very strong from there for the previous day. The market has also today closed above the Tenkan-sen indicator, suggesting that we now have a bull market in all three timeframes, only just. Because we have only just moved above the Tenkan-sen, but the Kijun-sen has been holding a support for some of these trading days in the recent past and moving back down to this area late in April. So the Kijun-sen has been a very, very important solid support area, and it now trades down at 1266.5, an area that we should be watching as a continuation of the support area around that level at 1266.5. If the buyers are strong enough and if they can breach up through 1284.9 in a bullish manner, we could easily see gold futures trading up to the round number 1300, where we could find some resistance, and we have seen some rejection from there in the recent past. Just looking at our bands here with gold futures, and we now see the market trading within the bands. Those bands are pointing higher, suggesting that there is an uptrend here in this market, but it's not strong. For it to be strong, we would need to be trading outside of the bands in a bullish manner, and the bands have been holding as resistance for about 3 or 4 of those days over the past week or so. We should be watching the upper band once again as potential resistance. It trades roughly about 1287. And if we do break out in a bullish manner with some strong follow through, we could see the trend develop quite strongly to the upside. Also continuing to watch the middle of the bands as support. We've seen the middle of the bands here holding as support on multiple occasions in the last week or two. The middle of the bands trades at 1269.9. Next to NYMEX oil, and following the strong bullish breakout up above the 46.72 level, we've seen some follow through today. A much smaller white body candle, suggesting that the amount of net momentum that we had here previously is no longer in the market. That was a fairly large white body candle on the breakout, so it's little wonder that we've seen the reduction in the size of the white body here. The buyers have, however, still closed with control, and it does suggest that we certainly could see further upside, and we actually are seeing the market move significantly higher in the new session that is developing. This suggests very good potential for the market to trade up to around that $50 round number level. We've ruled in a line here of support and previous support and resistance at 49.90. Obviously a strong bull market in all three timeframes supported by the Chicken span. Just one worrying thing here is the depth of price action away from the cloud. It does look very, very overextended, and I suggest that if we do see the market trade up to that $50 level, it is a level that we may see the market strength in terms of the bias just start to come off, and we could see a retracement or the market goes sideways. If the market does retrace, looking to 46.72 to hold as very, very strong support. And in terms of the bands here with the NYMEX oil and the market trading outside of the upper band highlights a very, very strong bullish tone. If we do see a retracement, looking to the upper band at 46.99 to hold a strong support.